so actually I come down to the harbour and I was like, let me get the Star Ferry over and I'll run the other side looking in, which has got a great view at night. Mate, I'm not getting on that. I'll tell you why. I went there and there's a big storm. I don't know if you will see the thunder. And the waves are like coming thick and fast. And there is no way you were getting me on that ship. So I'll run this side. We'll firm the storm. And I'll hopefully stay alive. I've seen Final Destination. I know how that ends. I'm just going to do a little 5k. I don't know if you can, wait, it's picking up. It wasn't like this. It's windy, storm. Let me see if I can get you another shot. Just basically doing anything but going for a run, really. Moody. Okay, another slight complication is at lunchtime I did have 3 beers. It's a client thing, so I think I might still be a tiny bit under the influence, but let's see how we get on. Let me see, I'll run round, I'll see if I can get you a nice view at night. I think what time is sunset? 4 minutes. So the reason I was going over there is because the view on TST side is so much better. This is like the view to look at. It's not bad, but I gotta say, I wouldn't want to be on that party boat now. Let me run up here. Not bad view. See the thunder there. Ruined their picture there for him. So I'm going to probably run to up there, then I'll loop back and I'll run into Hong Kong so you can see the city all lit up. I'll be honest, the storm's great. Nice weather. Mate, it's very windy. Mate. Alright. Let's get this run done. I hope you can see why I wasn't getting on that boat. Yeah, we'll go to this viewing point up here and then we'll turn back. Let me just quickly get you the view here. You don't get no nice thunderstorm this way, but you can see what I mean about what you get to look in at from the other side. I think it gives you a bit more sense of scale at night as well, when the buildings are lit up. It's that really tall one there. It's about 5-10 minute walk from my front door, so pretty densely packed. I'm just gonna get one last quick shot in because I can feel it, it's about to start pissing down. It's raining now. I had to stop here quick. I can't go out in that. Oh mate, she's made me look bad. Ah, fucking hell. Probably not my sharpest. There we go. Wait. Yeah, I've sort of been waiting around for it to stop, but if anything, it's gone worse. So, you know what? This is what separates the wheat from the chaff. Just gonna have to firm it. I need my ops to know that no rain is gonna stop me. But he's loving it. He's doing it. Come on. Sorry, little Chinese child. Okay, I know this Shuntak is just down here and it's got nice cover. Come on, let's do this. Come on, beautiful Shuntak. Oh. Got a bit of I've done about kilometres to go. It's been a pretty broken run, but we got it done. We get to the stairs, it loops round to where I need to go. It's a bit slower up here, it's just a bit wet. Okay, I've just called it. This is sort of inside and leads to where I'm going. Can't really run, it's a bit too wet. I've lost my voice from shouting over the rain. 5k.